everyone. Thank you for joining me today to discuss the Faculty of Social Work at the University of Manitoba. My name is Miranda Jestat, and I am the Fort Garry Bachelor of Social Work Academic Advisor with the Faculty of Social Work. Today, I will be sharing with you some information about what social work is, career options that are available, the different programs we offer, including field placement experience, and the student experience in the Faculty of Social Work. So you may be wondering, what is social work? It is a very broad profession that is about helping and enhancing the lives and well-being of individuals, families, groups, and communities. You might be considering social work if you're interested in helping people. So this could include assisting individuals with personal problems and finding resources in the community to enhance the individual's well-being. But it could also include assisting with social issues such as domestic violence or poverty, for example. So why social work? As mentioned previously, social work is about enhancing the lives and well-being of others. The Bachelor of Social Work program, which I will discuss shortly, includes a field education program that provides students with the field experience they need before graduating. There are many field placement opportunities to choose from based on each student's area of interest. Social work students will also gain an extensive skill set, which will open doors to a variety of opportunities. The Bachelor of Social Work program is also an accredited program by the Canadian Association for Social Work Education and is the only accredited social work program in Manitoba. Because we are an accredited program, the program is recognized across Canada. Social work students are often effective communicators as they work with people every day. If you're considering entering social work, you should be interested in the welfare of those with whom you'll be working with. And social work students are also respectful of individual differences and choices. There are many different career options in social work as the profession is in high demand. These are just some of the examples of the career options that are available to social workers, but there are other options that you can be added to this list as well. So for example, a social worker may work in mental health, where they would support individuals with mental health issues. A social worker might assess, they might provide crisis intervention, coordinate resources to support an individual through case management. A social worker might also find a career where they are providing support to individuals dealing with addictions, or perhaps they might be involved with employee assistance, disability services, corrections, or child welfare. Once again, these are just some of the career options in social work. Social work roles. So within these careers I mentioned previously, a social worker's role can be different depending on their position and where they are working. A social worker may take the role of an advocate, case manager, counselor, outreach worker, social activist, a researcher, or a community organizer. Similar to the careers listed, these are just some of the roles a social worker may have. The Faculty of Social Work offers multiple programs at different levels. We have the Bachelor of Social Work, Master of Social Work, Master of Social Work based in Indigenous knowledges, and the PhD program in social work. If you are just completing high school, you may want to focus on the Bachelor of Social Work program. So the Bachelor of Social Work, or BSW program, is offered at multiple locations and through different delivery methods. We have the Fort Garry BSW program that is for students that plan to take courses at the Fort Garry campus. The Distance Delivery BSW program is available to students living outside Winnipeg as it is an online program. The Inner City Social Work Access program is for low-income students who are 21 years or older in need of academic support. And the Northern Social Work program is for mature students living in Thompson, Manitoba that require academic support with completing their degree. It's important to note that each program has different admission requirements that can be found on the social work website or on the university's admissions website at umanitoba.ca/admissions. The Fort Garry BSW program is an advanced entry program. This means you will need to have a minimum of 30 credit hours of courses to apply to the program. Currently, these 30 credit hours can be any university level course. Many students prefer psychology, women and gender studies, Indigenous studies, and family social sciences courses, to name a few. You may find concepts in these courses can assist you in social work courses. Applicants must also have a minimum GPA of 2.5 to apply, although the program is very competitive. Within the Fort Garry BSW program, students have the option to complete the program in 3 years through the regular program, 2 years through the concentrated program, provided that the student meets requirements for the 2-year program, or students can complete the program part-time, in which they will have up to 9 years to complete the program. Included in each BSW program is the field education program. Field placements are a significant component of the BSW curriculum. Students will need a certain amount of hours to complete their field placements in the BSW program. Field allows students to integrate theory from what they learned in the classroom with practice in a community-based setting. When it comes time for social work students to complete their field placements, they will be referred to an agency or organization based on their areas of interest. Each field placement is supervised by a field instructor, and each year an event is held for students to meet with different agencies to determine where they are interested in completing their field placement and what might be the best fit for them. Field is a great way to gain experience before graduation. So the Social Work Students Association, or SWASA, hosts virtual and campus events for students in the Faculty of Social Work. It's a great way for social work students to meet each other and create a community on campus. SWASA also organizes exam preparation sessions and hosts workshops and training opportunities specifically for social work students. For more information about our programs, admission requirements, and the faculty, please visit our social work website. If you have any questions about social work, please do not hesitate to contact us at social_work@umanitoba.ca. Thank you for joining me today and taking the time to learn about the Faculty of Social Work.